Hello everybody, today we will continue our lessons for SQL training for beginners. Let's start. Lesson 33 SQL case statement. SQL case statement. The case statement goes through conditions and returns a value when the first condition is met, like an if then else statement. It's easy. So once a condition is true, it will stop reading and return the result. If no conditions are true, it returns the value in the else clause. If there is no else part and no conditions are true, it returns null. Case syntax. Case when condition 1 then result 1, when condition 2 then result 2, when condition 3 or any number then result any number, else result end. Below is a selection from the order details table in the Northwind Simple database, which contains order details ID, order ID, product ID, quantity. SQL case examples. Select order ID quantity case. When quantity greater than 30, then the quantity is greater than 30. When quantity equal 30, then the quantity is 30, else the quantity is under 30. End. From order details. Number of records 2155, as we see. The following SQL will order the customers by city. However, if city is null, then order by country. Select customer name, city, country from customers, order by case. When city is null, then country, else city. End. Number of records 91. Our order today is too much easy. Just practice, make tasks for yourself, and don't forget to click the bell and subscribe to get our new